Hello everyone and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas, where I'll be sharing with you the recipe for this super easy naan bread. So you can use this naan bread for your chicken wraps and your pizza, especially if you like thin crusted pizza. You should definitely try out this recipe. So in a clean bowl, you're going to add in some warm water and warm milk, and you can also just use the warm water. Into that, we're going to add in some dry yeast and sugar. Give this a good mix, then cover it and allow it to bubble up a little bit. So after about 10 minutes, the yeast mixture should have activated and look something like this. And into that, we're going to add in some all-purpose flour, salt, and Greek yogurt. So using a spatula, we are going to mix this together until it forms a shaggy dough before then using our hands to knead the dough properly. Knead this for a bit, then add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. And if the dough is still a little bit shaggy, you can add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. So once the dough has come together and it looks like this, we are going to transfer this to a lightly flat surface and knead for about 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth. So this dough doesn't require too much kneading. We'll just knead until the dough is smooth enough. So once the dough is smooth, you're going to form it into a ball and transfer to a lightly oiled bowl. Cover this and allow it to rest in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it at least doubles in size. So once the dough has doubled in size, you're going to take this out and punch out the air and knead this for about 1 to 2 minutes so that the dough is a bit more smoother. So form this into a ball again and then divide into 10 pieces. So you can either eyeball this or weigh the dough to get a more accurate measurement. So I got about 10 pieces from this and each of the piece weighed about 104 grams. So what you're going to do next is to roll out each of the dough into a flat round disc. So something else you can use this naan bread for is as a dipping bread. You can use it to soak up some curries or stews. You can also use it as breakfast. Top it with some scrambled egg, bacon, cheese, and some vegetables. You can use it to make some open face sandwiches and just customize it to your liking. So once you're done rolling out all the dough, you're going to heat up a skillet or fry pan on medium to low heat and allow this to heat up properly. So you don't need to add in any oil to the pan, but even if you do, just a little bit goes a long way. So heat up the dough on one side until bubbles begin to show on the top like this. Then flip it to the other side and allow this to also warm up and cook for about 2 minutes. So when it's done cooking on the other side as well, I'm going to brush this up with some garlic infused melted butter. So I just melted butter and add in some garlic powder, but you can also use fresh garlic. Just mix the garlic and add it to the melted butter and just rub this on the naan bread. So we're going to go ahead to repeat this same process until we've exhausted all the rolled out dough. And if you want to see different ways you can use this naan bread, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't, so that when we post the recipes, you wouldn't miss out on them. And that's it for this recipe. Your naan bread is ready for use, and just look at how soft this looks and feels. And that's it for this recipe. I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas.